hope you're all doing really well. Today's video is just to give you an exciting little update. Some of you have probably already had an email and may have seen this, but I thought it was worth me coming on to do a video just to give you a little bit more of an explanation of what is actually happening over on my website. So I've just launched an SK loyalty program, which basically is me trying to give something back to you for supporting me. I really appreciate everyone that's purchased my cookbook, the 99 Ninja Foodi recipes, and also anybody that has subscribed on the website, the SK subscription, where you can get copies of my recipes over there. So the new website feature means that you can basically gain loyalty points. So anybody that has already purchased something from me, whether that is a copy of the book or 2 copies of the book or one of my SK subscriptions, and that can be a monthly one or an annual one, you will already have points, and you can go and check those in the members area. You just need to log in and you'll be able to see how many points that you have already got. So to break it down, a £1 spend will give you 5 SK loyalty points, and 100 points means that you earn £1 off of your next purchase. So for example, if you've bought my cookbook, then you would have gained 150 points, which would be £1.50 off your next purchase, which could be off of a subscription, or it could be off of the brand new Christmas cookbook that will be released later on this year. If you've bought a book and then you've done the monthly subscription and you've done 3 months so far, then you will have earned £1.95 off. And then for anyone that's bought the book and done an annual SK subscription, then you'll already have £3 off your next purchase. So hopefully that just gives you a little idea of how it works. So for example, if you haven't already got an SK subscription on my website so that you can access all of my recipes, then you can go over there, put that in your basket. There'll be a discount box where you can use your loyalty points. Just click apply reward, and that will take that amount of money off of your next purchase. And of course you can save them, use them against the brand new Christmas book when that comes out, which won't be too long. We're going to be doing pre-orders for that again, so it will be quite limited, the numbers that we'll have on it, but we want to try and make sure that everybody that wants a copy can get one, and then that way you can use a little discount if you're already someone that has purchased from me. And just to be clear, if you have purchased a book elsewhere on Amazon, then I'm afraid that you won't get any discount. The discounts only apply and the points are gained when you buy something through my website. So I hope you see this as a little bonus for you. Just means that you can just get a little bit of a discount if you've already been a customer. And I just want to show my appreciation to everybody that really has helped me so far. So that is the SK loyalty program, and that hopefully just clarifies what was written in the email. If you've got any questions, then please, as always, leave me a comment and I'm more than happy to reply to you and answer those. And on a final note, we do have some cookbooks left, but the stock is extremely low. So if you want to get your order in for the 99 Ninja Foodi recipes, then I would do that quickly. We have got some more on order, but we are waiting for those. So I just wanted to give you that update to let you know there are literally just a few remaining. And the very last thing that I will mention quickly is that you're probably seeing I'm not putting out quite as many recipes because I'm working just crazily on the Christmas book. There's a lot of testing that goes on. Quite often I'm making a recipe multiple times to make sure that I get it just right, so that obviously you get maximum satisfaction from the recipes. You know, I don't want to put anything out there that I don't think is exactly as I want it to be. I'm really excited for the Christmas book. So many amazing recipes. The ones I've done already are just divine, and you're going to absolutely love it. Let me know if you're interested in a copy. You can actually do that on the website. You can let us know that you're interested in a copy, and then we will, as soon as it comes on for pre-order, we will let you know immediately, and then you can make sure that you secure your copy. So thanks everybody. Thanks for watching. Ask me any questions you need to, and I'll see you very soon.